Today I rode the Green Ninja up to an area around the Denville area where there was a golf course that was underwater by about 6 feet. And I wanted to see how it recovered. Here it is, just a quick picture. It recovered very well, in fact. And when I had gone there the first time, I was speaking to somebody that stopped along the way, and they were 6 feet underwater. Now this morning the weatherman said we are going to have a super nice fall day. It's just going to be, and we've had several of them in the past, there's absolutely no chance of rain. The sky is blue, clear, and by lunchtime or a little after it's probably going to go into the low 70s. It just couldn't be a better day to be a motorcyclist. So my plan today was to get up really early, have an extra cup of coffee, and get out on the road. Karen has a lot of stuff to do here on the farm. She wants to go shopping. So what always works for me under those conditions, get up early, get out early, get back early. No chance of rain at all today. Oh my God, beautiful. This was the kind of day I would have liked to stay out a lot longer, but of course there's obligations on the farm and our family. But what a beautiful weather day. You just couldn't imagine how you could make a day like this any better. It was just perfect. Look at that sky. Beautiful blue sky today. Couldn't be a nicer day to ride. And of course, free bonus, the leaves are changing. Why is it ever beautiful around here? This whole area. Back roads, even the main roads coming down here, beautiful leaves. Now my goal with my bike collection when I started this was to have one bike from every 10-year period that I was involved in motorcycling, and basically have each one of them different than the one. I don't want a collection where they're all twin sisters. And then over the course of the years I've evil twinned them out, so it seems like I even have more bikes than I have. And almost no traffic. Oh, just we've hit one of those days where there's not a lot of traffic. Nobody's going shopping for diapers. I purposely, over the years that I've owned a bike, probably 8, 10 years now, maybe 8, 9 years anyway, I've tried to set the ergonomics up for me, the handlebars, the risers, the angles, all of the things that contribute to a bike being comfortable on a 3 or 4 hour ride. That's about the average that I ride. And this bike is perfect. Now, when I lowered the forks on this bike, I did 4 of them so far. I wasn't sure which ones I'd like, which ones seem a little better. This one seems to be a lot better. Now, there's a lot of reasons for that. It's all personal taste, but it just gives the bike a little bit more aggressive turn in, and it's just something. It's a personal choice issue, and you can always put it back. Now, I always try to pass on this information about the tires. I've had various sets of tires on this bike, and every one of them did not live up to my expectations. The only ones that I was really happy with, and I've decided to stick with them, the Pirellis, the Sport Demons. They are the best for this bike for me. Now, I have 4 bikes that are historically registered. Historic registration is a little tricky to get for some people. I have had no trouble doing it. I know how to navigate the system. The bike has to be 25 years old. You need to submit 2 pictures of it, and it needs to look like a stock bike. And you basically pay $44, and it's registered for life for free. Now, interesting story. The original one I had of these, I have 2, of course. The original one was my track bike for 3 or 4 years. Loved the bike in every way. And that's why when I got the second bike, and I made this bike from the parts from both of those bikes, I wanted to ride it on a street. I was really happy with it. I'm still happy with it. And I always liked this bike on the track. This bike, I've ridden several of my bikes on the track, including the 650, and including the FZR, of course. But I think this bike was by far the most fun to ride, and it really handled great on the track.
beautiful sunny day this turned out to be. It just couldn't be any nicer here. A beautiful fall day.
And of course, one of the things I really enjoy about this particular bike, having a spare set of wheels, having the green wheels and the black wheels, I kind of do like a little mini evil twin. Anytime I change the tires, I swap the wheels at the same time. And I get that feeling for another year or 6 months or whatever that I've got a new bike. Now, over the 8-9 years I've owned this bike, I've made several seats, changed the seat covering material, and all those videos are out on the channel, of course. And this one seems to be the best of the lot. It's stood the test of time, and it's comfortable on an all-day ride.
That was less than a month ago. This whole area, this whole field, had 6 feet of water on it from the storm. Glad to see they've recovered.
Now, it's a small thing, but it's like a small free bonus, but for me it's worthwhile. One of the things about this bike, it's very easy to take the bodywork on and off, very easy to change the plugs. Oil changes are a piece of cake. Almost everything on the bike that I've done maintenance on is relatively easy and straightforward. It's a free bonus. So whether it's a fun day on a track with Luciano or just a day cruising around like today and checking out pumpkins or whatever, checking out the leaf chaining, this bike has been a great investment, worth every minute I've put into the restoration. And right now I think about it, it's time to get home to the farm and see what's cooking with Karen. Are you going to harvest? Harvest. There can't be that much left. How many things can be left?
There's a few tomatoes left.
We need the money. We need the tomatoes. It's pretty crazy that we're still getting tomatoes out of this garden, and we still have flowers. We still have fresh cut flowers every day. I don't get it. This is just the endless summer, the endless ninja. Anyway, we did have a great ride today. The weather this time of year is just perfect. It couldn't be better. You just feel just a little chilly in the morning, a little hot on the way back. If you could only put this in a bottle and sell it, you'd be richer than me. But then everybody is. So I really hope you did enjoy the video. I enjoy making them. I enjoy editing them. I hope you enjoy watching them. And thanks for watching. So the day ended on a real positive note, of course. It didn't snow. We had a great ride. I shouldn't complain. We got a few tomatoes left on the harvest. Not a lot. It's going down by the day. But every day I get out on this bike, I just enjoy every minute of it. This bike has been so worth restoring. And for anybody new to the channel that might not know, we try to post up a video almost every day. Something to do with motorcycles, evil twins, riding, working on them, changing tires, changing chains, doing maintenance, repairing fairings. And two-stroking from time to time, just to break up the monotony of whatever we do. thanks so much for watching, and hopefully we will see you tomorrow.